Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. And to get started, all you need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me, I'm going to use settings as an example. And once it's open, all you need to do is press and hold power key and volume down. You'll get the sound for it of like basically a lighter. And then this image right here, and if you're doing this for the first time, it will give you this brief overview of what has just happened. So tap to make a scrollable screenshot, and it kind of points to it, and also you have the send option. Now I opened settings because it actually does have scrollable content, so I can tap on scroll and this will automatically start scrolling, but I can just tap on it to stop it from scrolling. And however far down it goes, that's basically what the screenshot will capture. Anything from the top, the point that you started, anything lower. Now you can also grab it and scroll down yourself, and once you're satisfied with however far down it is, simply tap on done. It's going to start processing it, and there it is. From here you can also crop it a little bit if you don't want it to be the entire image, for instance like so. Then tap on save, and there we go. And this is one way you can take a screenshot, basically with the power key and volume down. There is sometimes also a toggle for it, which it looks like it is right over here. So you can tap on it, does the exact same thing as the power key and volume down. And it looks like that's all we have in terms of ways of capturing a screenshot. Now whichever way you go about it, the photos that you capture will always be saved into your photo gallery under albums and screenshots. And there we go. As you can see, there is one and then there is two. So that is how you would capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.